In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a phone number on Gohighlevel in just about 5 minutes. Let's start by understanding where we are heading. Gohighlevel is a robust marketing platform that allows businesses to consolidate their marketing tools in one place. Among its many features, it enables you to get a phone number which can be used for calls, text messaging, and even automations. This becomes a game changer for those looking to streamline their communication channels. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Gohighlevel website. Once you're there, you'll find yourself at the doorstep of a digital powerhouse designed to elevate your marketing efforts. Click on the Login to App button located prominently on the home page. This will direct you to the login page, a gateway to all the powerful features Gohighlevel has to offer. Now it's time to enter your credentials. Start with your email address, the one you used to sign up for Gohighlevel. Carefully type it in, ensuring there are no typos. Mistakes here could prevent you from accessing the platform and its myriad of features. After entering your email, move on to your password. Privacy and security are paramount, so make sure you enter your password accurately. If you've forgotten it, there's always an option to reset it, so don't panic. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button. You might be prompted with a security measure asking you to verify your identity. This is Gohighlevel looking out for your account's security. Click on Send Security Code, and a code will be sent to your email or phone number associated with your account. Retrieve this code and enter it to gain access to your dashboard. This extra step ensures that your account remains secure. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Gohighlevel dashboard. This is where the magic happens. From here, if you're managing multiple accounts, you'll want to navigate to the Video Creators and click on Sub-Accounts. This allows you to manage different clients or projects with ease. Next, you'll need to switch to the specific sub-account where you want to add the phone number. Find the Switch to Sub-Account button and click on it. This action will take you deeper into the setup for that specific account, moving you one step closer to acquiring a new phone number. Now, direct your attention to the settings by finding and clicking on the Settings button. This area is crucial for customizing and configuring your account to match your or your client's needs. Within settings, look for the Phone Numbers section and click on it. This is where Gohighlevel houses its phone system functionalities. Here comes the exciting part, adding your new phone number. Locate and click on the Add Number button. This action opens the door to selecting a new phone number that you can use for calls and text messaging within Gohighlevel. Congratulations! By following these steps, you've successfully navigated through Gohighlevel to add a new phone number to your account. This new phone number can be integrated into your marketing campaigns, automations, and client communications, broadening your reach and simplifying how you connect with your audience. Remember, the phone number you've just added is not just a number, but a bridge connecting your business to your clients. Whether for voice calls, text messages, or part of an automated workflow, this number is now a valuable asset in your marketing toolkit. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap what we've covered. We started with accessing the Gohighlevel website, proceeded with logging into our account, navigated to the dashboard, drilled down into sub-accounts, accessed the settings, and finally added a new phone number. With Gohighlevel, the opportunities are boundless. Explore, experiment, and make the most of this powerful feature. It's your creativity and strategy that will turn this simple phone number into a marketing powerhouse. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital marketing tools.